Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
All right. The top seems to be too tall. Now here's what's gonna happen. First, I need to get over in there and just see if I fit in this thing at all. Getting over in here is kind of a trick. Oh. And I got some pads, like a seat, right here. I don't know. If it all doesn't collapse right on me. All right, and I've got a tape measure here. Wow, that's just about right, really. What if I scooch down a little bit? I like my eyes being right about here. This thing may be too small for somebody to fit in. I'm gonna have to think about that. I'm gonna get back out. From there to the top. That's 36 inches from your butt. I don't know if I can lower it any more than that. I hope so. I'd like that door to be shorter. The door window. Look at 2 inches. What is that? What would happen if I did? I had to go buy another bumper. Just 3.5 inches shorter, Joe. Come on. Dare to be great. All right. Several things to think about here. One is the roof keeps getting longer. The more I cut it down, the longer it gets. We've only got room from here to here. If it hangs back over here, the trunk lid doesn't open, which that's okay. I don't mind. I'll deal with the trunk lid. I'll make it open. I really like this line running around here, mating with this line. That's cool. And we know our top is probably not going to have this on it anyway. So I can't deal with this being as wide as it is. So I'm going to cut it in half right through here. And then I'm probably going to take some wire and bend it together. And then we can adjust it back and forth on the car. And we're going to do that right now. I'm going to let you sit in this chair right here. And you can watch. Filming. It's still on. And check this out. We got a new player. What's that over there? Just came in today. Just came in today. This is a brand new hood for a 2014 to 2016 Toyota Corolla. It's not very heavy. Anyway, it's an aftermarket hood you can buy. So I did. And there the strings are. And this is going to be beautiful. Wait till you see this. Oh. All right. This is beautiful. Now, I've not touched one of these. I see them on the road. I looked them up on the internet. This is the first one I've actually had to measure. I like this little point. And let's go get you set up. Let's bring you over here. This is going to be great. Yeah, I want you to see this. But we're getting there. Not that exciting from here, is it? It is still a little bit high, but it's getting there. I want that visor over the windshield. And I'll cut the sides off of it. It's not going to be a super modified wing. And the next to go, that looks pretty good from this side. Look at that back, that's not bad. It's just tall, and we're gonna fix that. I think we need to cut it right here. In order to do that, we gotta get rid of the 2x4. If we get rid of the 2x4, this whole thing's gonna collapse. So we need something to go from here to here, from here to here, or somewhere to hold that up. Now, what will that be? We're going to cut this one about a 1/2 inch down on this. Not enough. And we're going to do that. Oh, the back looks much better. We'll figure out a way to get that to conform. This gonna hang over. Maybe it needs to hang over a little more. Let's see what a little more. A little is good. A little more might be better. Can't go much more, can we? Okay. We do have this little side piece that's going to blend all this. And it's going to go like from here up to something like that. Let me get you where you can see. That looks pretty good from your angle. Back right about there. Yeah, who doesn't like that? Still a little long, and I think its personality is just gonna be long. I like it.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.